Hello, everyone. Good evening, and welcome to the second episode of the only and most loved talk show of Bennett University, the IEEE BU Talk Show.
So, everyone, remove your formal coats and put on your casual hoodies because we are here to have fun. There will be an exciting interaction with our guest, games, and whatnot. So, stick to your seats till the end. But before that, let me introduce our guest for the evening.
Today, we have Shrey Tyagi, founder and director of Skill Arena, a boy with vision and values at this tender age.
Dikpreet Paul Lamba, an actor and a dancer with top notch management skills. Her skills led her to be the secretary of Ansh Club 2020-21. She has illuminated multiple clubs with her radiance.
Pranshu Singhal, the musically talented law student of exhilarating timbre that you did listen to him sing all day. He aspires to create music for Bollywood one day.
Soumya Bharadwaj, a person who puts others before herself. As a lawyer involved with the public welfare industry, she has touched the hearts of many people. An avid advocate of women's rights. Also, you have to check her Insta if you want some travel motivation.
We welcome you all. Danish and Adi, please take over from here.
So thank you so much, Shreya and Manish. Well said. So today, Danish and Adi will be host for today's evening. Well, I must say, it's personally motivation for us to get the unique skips and achievement from you seniors. As you already said, this is a talk show, and this will talk show be going to the most amazing and informal interview type talk show. So let's go get to knowing our guests better. Now we do have several questions from our audience and co-members of IEEE. So how about we get an answering to them?
My first question for you, we started with pandemic and lockdown, and it has taken a toll on every one of us. Some of us became besties with our couch. Some took time to learn new things. For you guys, you even graduated, done a lot of things, even in this lockdown. How was it? How was your experience so far? Like, what did you learn from the lockdown, and how was your experience? Anyone? Shrey Bhaiya, Deep Preeti.
Yeah. So I guess everything comes with a positive and a negative side. So initially, it's obviously sad to see your amazing college life hampering and losing your friends, everyone going back to cities. But I will not talk about the negative one. But I'll talk about something that we can draw as a positive outcome from it. So when things go south, there are a lot of opportunities that come into play, and this is where I started my journey. I was working in college clubs and all. I was doing amazing in the student council with sponsorship, but I always dreamed of being a CEO of a company, and from nowhere I just started a venture, and I started internships and all, and Skillina came into play. So it's been 2 years, around 1.5 years that we have been in operations. So it's been amazing, exciting, and the only thing I feel the drawback is that I miss people interactions, social interactions with everyone, because Dekpreet was amazing on the campus, Soumya, and everyone. I miss everyone in the campus because we all were friends. So it's amazing. That part is obviously something that we have in our minds, and obviously for Dekpreet, she graduated when nobody was there. So it's sad. But yes, the positive is that you have a lot of time to actually focus on your professional growth as well. So this is my way of looking at it. Yeah.
That's really good. Deeppreet, you
Yeah, so,
graduated this year.
yeah, so like it has already been rubbed in my face multiple times that I had to graduate in an online scenario. Yes, it sucks. Okay, but honestly, I think like Shri mentioned, ki theek hai, that things were going south and everything was like I think one of the things which took a toll on all of us was the fact that suddenly we were just locked inside our houses, not knowing ki, like there was a lot of uncertainty, right? Like एक होता है that you initially know that okay, you're inside for 6 months and things will get better after this, right? So it's like you have that hope, you're looking forward to things getting better, but we didn't have that. So honestly it was like we were just put inside a room and we were not told anything ki kya hone wala hai aage. But I think gradually we got used to it. And I think one thing which was different for me and I think for other Benetians as compared to other colleges, because I saw what my friends were going through, was that we had classes and things continued. Like, I mean, we still kept going on. Like, it wasn't like life at Bennett stopped. Like, all the clubs made sure that they kept organizing events, and they kept going out of their way to make juniors interactions, put them in place or whatever. Like, keep coming up with, I remember Suruka Sammelan and everything, all the events turned online, and the council made sure that we keep going and it doesn't come to an halt. However, again, like, because for our batch and even the batch above us, like our seniors, it was like, for us it was our last year, our last semester, and our seniors literally graduated online, right? So Bennett, they like, the convocation happened online, everything was planned. They got Amir Khan for like our seniors, so it was like they made sure that we feel like, okay, we're doing everything we can in our capacity to make you feel like you're still in college, you're still a part of it. And I think another thing, the placement cell, okay, like, I'm just again sounding like a 30-year-old trying to lecture all of you, but no. So other thing that happened was that we were all very worried, our batch, ki hamari placements hongi ki nahi, will companies take us in or not, because there were layoffs that was happening during pandemic. However, the placement cell at Bennett University made sure that we sit for interviews, and we get opportunities. So all of that was great. And now I just want to put it out there that we're coming back to campus for the alumni meet.
I
So I'm
know.
super excited to meet all of you. So yeah, everything's well that ends well. So yeah, it took a toll on us initially, but अब सब कुछ better हो गया है.
Everything is
And
going back to normal.
yeah, there's nothing else. I mean, और हम कुछ नहीं hope कर रहे थे. But like, my last rant would be, I want my 1.5 years back. Like, I would do anything to get that 1.5 year back that I missed. Yeah. Yes.
We
That's
all we
lovely.
all wish that. As Samit, you are in college, in hostel. How it has been for last 1.5 year, 2 years for you?
It has been a crazy journey because I love interacting with new people and it suddenly stopped. But one thing I'm grateful for is that I got really, really close to my family. अगर लॉकडाउन नहीं होता तो आई गेस सब फैमिली से दूर ही हो जाते हैं कॉलेज जाने के बाद बट इट चेंज्ड यार मैं फैमिली से क्लोज हो गई एंड आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर दैट एंड नाउ आई एम बैक तो मेरे लिए तो ऐसे विन विन सिचुएशन है
Yeah. What about you, Pranshi Bhaiya? You made your music career in this 1.5 years.
Yeah, actually, as she mentioned, that everything has a bad side and a good side. And basically, talking about music, it was much before. Actually, I was doing my song during the college only when the college was running properly. So it was scheduled that it will be released in just 1 or 2 months. That the pandemic happened, and then unfortunately, I had to wait another for 5-6 months to release my track. So now basically talking about what difference I felt, that yeah, it basically hampered all of the lives of families and all. I agree. And talking about the bad side, I was, I really missed events. I really missed musical events, dance events, and I was an active member in Adwaita. So yeah, I felt it. Talking about the good side, for me, the different thing was that I realized that how much time we have in a day. So basically, how we can manage our things accordingly, and we have a lot of time, and we can increase our productivity in the same time. So yeah,
I, I remember Vinod sir in every class reminding us, "Oh, listen to Pransh's music, listen to Pransh's music. He's doing a great work." That's how we,
he's quite a lot supportive.
yeah.
And one question from my side, how was the experience like? I guess it was the first music that was
Yeah.
recorded in the Bennett.
Yeah, experience. It was just out of the world. I can't tell you the experience, and I'll just like to share a few of my experiences. When the poster was released on the first day, so seeing my name on that poster, I was just feeling like, to just sit and do nothing and just see this poster all day. So seeing my name on that poster, on that label, was a very big thing in itself. And then that song went on, so many platforms, and in the newspapers like Chennai Times, Bombay Times, and all. and then it came on the television as well. So I first time got that feel of celebrity, which I wanted to do in my. So yeah, the experience was out of the world, and as just any other celebrity could feel it.
This is great knowing how you spend your last 1.5 years and with so much positivity that includes. And my next question for you guys, all of you are very social people. Like Shrey Bhaiya doing Skill Arena, managing a team of people, Pranchu Bhaiya doing music, meeting new people every day, so for Devpreet Di and Soumya Di. Like, don't you feel like at end of the day or week or month, I don't know, I'm a kind of an introvert, so I don't know how much time you take for yourself. At end of the day, how much time do you take for yourself and feel like कि अब हो गया लोगों से, let's have a rest now and get everything back.
So, actually, like you mentioned, Danish, that so for me, I am somebody who is a people's person, okay? I like being around people. It's like I am most myself when I am in a crowd. Okay, so for me, it's always like, so lockdown in that sense for me was like, okay, now I'm sick and tired of the same four faces in the house, and I literally want to go out, meet new people, and I don't want to be restricted to a stupid.
I guess there's some connectivity issue from the side.
Okay, I thought it was my side.
Better now,
Yeah,
Yeah.
it's good.
guys.
Yeah, you're great.
You're audible.
Okay, wait. Can you
We
hear
can
me
check-
now?
Yeah,
Yeah.
we could hear you इससे पहले भी. Okay, let's move on to either Soumya Di or she will back. कोई बात नहीं, नेट
I
तो
think I'd
चलता
like
है.
to I think I'd like to agree with Dekpreet. I love being around people, and okay, she's back. You can continue. Then.
Okay, I'm really sorry. Okay, I have a sucky internet. Can you guys hear me now?
Yeah.
Please.
Okay. But Soumya, you can go ahead if you were in the middle of something. No?
No, you continue. I'll talk about. I'll talk.
So I'm just saying that in the pandemic, okay, I got sick and tired of like interacting with people or talking to my friends through a stupid screen, right? So I think that was again when I realized that yeah, I need to be around people to feel myself. It's like my energy, it's like I get like my energy is driven by the people around me. However, yes, Danish, you're right. To say ki at the end of the day, don't you sometimes feel like you want time for yourself and you just want to shut people off? So then I do that. And my friends know that. And I think even for that matter, even Soumya, okay, so like when I'm talking to you and when you call me or whenever we're hanging out, everything is happy, fun, chill. But the minute I'm back home, okay, and I don't want to I don't want to talk to people or I don't want to reply to your text, I simply won't. You can double text me, you can text me 4 times, you can call me 100 times. But that's when I shut myself off, right? Or this time I'm like, I'm listening to music or I'm dancing or I'm watching a web series and then I don't want to interact with people. So that's completely fine. I mean, and then I just, yeah, I mean, I shut people off. And the next day it's like, yeah, okay, I'm back in my energy. So let's get back to it. Kya haal hai Soumya, but so I think that, yeah.
I think you need some time to yourself to recharge, and then you can be yourself again. So yeah, I agree with Dekpreet.
I'll just add one more thing to it. I feel like when as the question was like when we socialize a lot, when we are speaking, when we are meeting new people, new workspaces every day, it's like there's a thing called personality projection where you kind of absorb a lot of personalities when you're traveling, when you're talking to a lot of people. So it happens with a lot of people who socialize a lot. So particularly in my case, when because I'm dealing with a lot of student kids of my age, we are recruiting people. We have a team of around 200 people working at Skillina. Everyone there's a new face, new personality, new story. So it's kind of that we get affected by a lot of things. Sometimes in COVID, like my the people who are working with me, they lost their parents and all. So you get affected and you get a projection of it. But I feel like when you are socializing with so many people, you should have your own time. You should have your particular own time in a dark room or anywhere that you like. I like listening music and all. So I take 1 or 2 hours in the morning or at the night when before sleeping, and I charge myself up. And this is my time where my thoughts are there only in there in my mind. So it's very necessary. It becomes a part of your habit and a regular routine. So it's very necessary for people who socialize, because you have to be yourself at times, because you need to be Shrey Tyagi, Dekpreet every day, every other day, because you can't be anyone else. So this is what my experience of socializing is with people.
Yeah, you said about this personality thing. That's very common with every one of us, I guess.
Pranshaliya,
Pransh, what's your take on that?
For me, I also, love being around people like Dekpreet said. And as an artist, I would also say that like the psyche of any other artist, they love to, get attention. So, yeah, it's the same with me. But talking about my time, when it's me time, then it's me time. Nobody can, interfere with that. And talking about, just adding to the Shrey's point about the personality, when we meet new people, we face many challenges basically. So it adds up to our personality. So if I have to perform in a group of people or in front of a new set of people, so I have that pressure. I have to live up to their expectations, and not give up on my benchmark basically. So yeah, that's
Yeah.
it.
I learned one thing that was common among yourself, that learn to say no, learn to ignore people at the end of the day. Because there are times that everyone is upon you to do work, but learning to say no is a big deal.
Yeah.
Adi, you may
Now it's
continue.
time to let's start the evening with a fun quiz to get to know our guests beyond their work. Time for some splashing fun cheers and jolly time for every time because it's Children's Day and it's a children's special. So may the love and laughter always stay on everyone's face. Siddharth and Anushka, over to you.
Hello there, this is Siddharth.
And this is Anushka. Welcome to this segment of BU Talk Show.
We are having a quiz, and in this quiz, all you need to do is answer with this first thing that comes to your mind. Okay, so let's start with Dekpreet Di. What is a comfort activity that you do on your bad day?
I sleep.
Yeah, it's the most amazing thing you can do. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't want to do any activity. I just want to be inside my blanket and on my bed. Yes.
Yeah. Next question. You recently watched drama series or a TV series?
The Good Doctor. I am obsessed with that web series. Yeah, and to a point where any day अगर मेरे को कहीं पे ऐसे मेरी body में दर्द होता है, my brain is suddenly thinking, oh my God, okay, there is probably some, connection to some organ in my body. Yeah, okay, this has to be quick. Sorry, continue. Next
No,
question.
no, you can speak. You can speak. It's not.
Yeah, Siddharth, if you let me speak, I'm going to take over your talk show. Nobody else. Yeah, sorry.
Okay, then let's do the next question. What's the most useless talent you have?
What's the most useless talent that I have?
Yeah.
Talking. It's very useless. Sometimes it's yeah. Yeah, but I can talk. I can go on and on for hours. Yeah.
But a
It
great
can be quite
talent.
helpful. Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, yeah, it has taken me out of very difficult situations. Like, I used to get debarred every semester, and then I just had to go and talk to ma'am, sorry. Ta-na-na-na-na. Yeah, guys, I got debarred every semester. It wasn't, please make sure you all, like, literally attendance, guys, सबसे important होती है. Otherwise, you just fail, and yeah. Yeah, not like I was a failure, but yeah, never mind. Siddharth, go on.
Yeah. Thank you for your answers, and they were quite insightful.
Dekpreet, this is not useless, right? Because you use it in your attendance. So
Next up, let's ask some questions from to Shreya here. If you were to start,
संभाल के पूछो सीनियर हूँ.
हाँ, पक्का.
चलो, let's go.
If you were to start a restaurant, which cuisine will you serve in it?
Desi Punjabi food. North Indian to Desi food.
Most
और
amazing.
ढाबा टाइप्स ना, मतलब ट्रैवलर्स के लिए
हाँ,
वैसा
हाँ,
कुछ थोड़ा. हाँ.
Next question. Would you rather be in a zombie apocalypse or a robot apocalypse?
Zombie चलेंगे. रोबोट तो जा ही रही है दुनिया उधर. It's better टेक्नो फ्रेंडली नहीं होते हैं, थोड़ा क्रिएटिवली जाते हैं, तो zombie apocalypse.
बढ़िया है. I would also choose the same. Next question. What has been your favorite non-academic thing about Bennett?
About Bennett?
Hmm.
The family feel that it gives. The
Family
unity
feel.
and as Dekpreet mentioned initially, जब सब घर पे थे, nothing stopped. Everything was there and we had people to talk. And this is one. Second is I like the startup ecosystem there. Like everyone is trying to do something different, trying to, like Pranshu Air is doing he's into music, Dekpreet is doing something, Soumya is, and there are a lot of numerous examples in Bennett. So I feel like the ecosystem, different talents it portrays in one umbrella. So this is one.
Okay. And thank you so much for all your answers. They were amazing. Now I'd like to hand it over to Anushka.
I refuse to let Siddharth have all the fun. So it's my turn for some questions. First up is Pranshu Bhaiya. What food do you usually refuse to share?
Chocolates.
Oh,
Amazing. Okay. Next
I can't
question.
give. Yeah.
Sorry. May you continue?
Yeah,
please?
yeah, yeah. Please continue.
Okay. If you can watch only one genre of movie, then what it would be?
ये जवानी है दीवानी.
No, I am asking about the genre.
Rom-com, you can say.
Okay, okay. And the third question is, what country would you locate to if you had a chance?
You would say that's US, but not particularly, not no reason behind it. Just the urban locality I love about the place.
Okay, that's so amazing. Thank you so much. Next up is Soumyadi. Uh, it can be a little off-track question. Sorry if you get if you get angry with me. When did you had your first relationship or crush?
I had my first crush in class 2.
Okay.
Yeah. So that's very inappropriate.
That's very
no, it's fine.
And my first relationship in 9th or 10th. I don't remember.
Okay, okay. Next question. Would you rather have unlimited battery on all your devices or have free Wi-Fi wherever you go?
Free Wi-Fi, dude. I can charge my phone. I want free Wi-Fi.
Okay.
Such a Gen Z answer.
Yeah. Then next question. If you had a time machine, which decade would you like to travel to?
I want to see my future, so yeah.
You're the first one who said that you'd like to go to
I
the
want to
future.
see कि कितना क्या successful क्या बन जाती हूँ मैं. I want to do that.
Oh, that's so amazing. Your answers were quite insightful and it was great to learn more about you. Thank you so much for your
That is
so yeah, Danish.
We learned a lot about you. And
Is Pranshu is with us now? I guess there is some issue with him.
Questions won't stop coming to you. We have a lot of questions. So refuel your energy and let's have a small game.
Okay, so Pranshu is coming in 2 minutes. So yeah, we can continue till then. Karishma?
But I have a small question for you guys. Advice that you would give to your juniors and super juniors.
Yeah, I have something to say.
Yeah.
I want to tell you कि don't give up और अपनी हर एक्टिविटी में पार्ट लेना because सब जज करेंगे कॉलेज में सब जज करेंगे. I was this super quiet child जब मैं कॉलेज आई थी. But then मैंने अपनी सीनियर्स को देखा, everyone was so good and I thought कि नहीं सौम्या अब मुझे करना है कुछ. So please don't give up और judgment से कभी भी मत डरना.
Right. So Karishma, are you with us?
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, great.
So, hello everyone, I'm Karishma Kapoor and I'm here to get some gossip and some really fun stories out of our guests. So let's get right into it. We are going to play rapid fire And there's only one rule, that you have to be completely honest. Okay? So my first question is for Soumya. If you could ask one question about anything to any teacher in college, what and who will it be? Any question?
I want to ask Manjula ma'am, if you guys might not know her, but I want to ask her, इतनी energy कहाँ से लाते हो?
We would ask that to Nidhi ma'am.
Yeah, Nidhi ma'am.
I would like to add one thing to this. Anybody knows Urvashi ma'am? Maths, IIT Delhi. She was very beautiful. B.Tech. I wanted to ask her कि उन्होंने मतलब इतनी जल्दी शादी क्यों कर ली, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल क्योंकि मैंने पूरा सेमेस्टर उन्हें देखने में निकाला था, बट देन टू दिस वाज माय क्वेश्चन, अगर वो कैंपस में होती, शी लेफ्ट apparently, so
Manjula ma'am also left, so
She broke a lot of hearts.
फिर वैल्यू है.
Okay, so my next question is to Shay Bhaiya. Did you ever get kicked out of a class in college? If yes, then why?
I never attended classes. I was almost out of the classes, just waiting to the door to get open, and I just could do the attendance wala thing and run. So 99% times I was in the mess or in the hatchery working on something, because I was never fond of classes. बस उर्वशी मैम को छोड़ के उनकी क्लास में हमेशा अटेंड करता था. Rest I was always out. एंड अगर आप कभी कैंपस में मिलोगे तो ऑलमोस्ट सारे टीचर्स के साथ मेरे कोई ना कोई इंसिडेंट हुए हैं जिसमें या तो उन्होंने मुझे मारने की कोशिश करी है या मैंने मतलब इट वाज लाइक एक्चुअल हाइड एंड सीक गोइंग इन बीटेक के लेक्चर हॉल में. सो इट हैज हैपेंड विद अस.
I have witnessed it. पूरे टाइम मेस में होता था श्रेय. I have witnessed it.
Wow.
मुझे बाहर निकालने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं थी. मैं बहुत डाउन टू अर्थ आदमी हूँ, वैसे ही बाहर रहता हूँ.
Okay, so my next question is for Dekpreet Dee. What was the most embarrassing event that took place with you in college?
Okay, this is okay. So I have to be completely honest. All right. Okay, so this one time, actually I've had so many embarrassing moments. I don't know which one is appropriate to share here, but okay. So so this one time, what had happened was, it was our fest. So I think second year, I was in my second year, yeah. And so basically what happened was that but so na हमारे Bennett के नीचे जो you have this store, right, where you get, what is this, Talent Bhaiya ki shop, okay? So you get Rio bottle. Tuck shop, thank you. Shit, how could I put tuck shop? But okay, tuck shop, okay? So you get like all your college collect chips and stuff. It's like your in-house grocery store. Okay, so basically what happened was, वहाँ पे ना हमें Rio की bottles मिलती थी, and fest था, and we wanted to, you know, like consume alcohol and stuff during the fest, because yeah, sober कौन attend करता है fest को. So very smartly and very elegantly, by the way, मैंने उस की bottle को empty करके उसके अंदर alcohol डाल ली थी, and it's a glass bottle, okay? So now I'm like, you know, अब हम लोग चलते हैं room में, we're gonna chill. The event is over now. We're gonna have fun. So now what happened was, while I was, so that time we were B block में. Sorry, this was my first year, not my second year, okay? So I was going up the stairs, and again, like I said, very elegantly, I was in my heels and I was tiptoeing back to my room. And on the last step, so जो staircase का last step होता है ना, मैं फिसल गई. मैं फिसली और मेरी बॉटल से, मतलब मेरे हाथ से वो बॉटल फिसली और वो वार्डन के रूम के एकदम सामने टूटी, और पूरे फ्लोर पे अल्कोहल की स्मेल थी, एंड आई गॉट कॉट. एंड उसके बाद तो फिर ऑब्वियसली बहुत बड़ा तमाशा हुआ था. So that was the most embarrassing moment for me, because it was my first year and nobody, like, yeah, just, it was really embarrassing.
I should have said this before we started. This is gonna go on YouTube. but it's okay. Continue, Karishma.
You're gonna cause problem for us.
Better stop this off. This part has
उर्वशी
to
मैम
be.
वाला पार्ट हटा देना प्लीज ना.
No, that should go ना. You spend a semester, उनको पता होना चाहिए ना.
और अब वो कॉलेज में है भी नहीं, so it's chill.
नहीं, अब तो शादी हो गई ना, अब पता करके क्या करेंगी.
हाँ गाइस,
No
मैं भी
worries.
अब कॉलेज से निकल गई हूँ और मुझे फर्क नहीं
हाँ,
पड़ता है.
क्या
अब
ही कर
मैं
सकते
और
हैं।
बोलूंगी.
problems for us.
Karishma, go ahead.
Okay, so my next question is for Pranshul Bhaiya. Is he here? No, so okay, we can carry on. So my next question for Soumya Di is, it's a tough question. कॉलेज की दाल में ज्यादा पानी होता है या फिर दही में?
या फिर
कॉलेज की दाल में ज्यादा पानी होता है या फिर कॉलेज की दही में ज्यादा पानी होता है?
दाल में यार.
अच्छी नहीं बनाते वो लोग?
सौम्या बोलेगी कॉलेज की दही कभी खाई भी नहीं.
कॉलेज की दाल में नहीं खाई वैसे तो, बट कॉलेज की दाल में ही होता है यार. डिफिकल्ट था ये.
Okay, so my
आप
next
college में
question
होगी.
for Shrey Bhaiya is, have you ever been to the very famous Raja Ka Dhaba and क्या celebration था?
इसको ये YouTube पे जा रहा है यार, तुम लोग आउट ऑफ बॉक्स जा रहे हो अब.
We will crop it out just for our audience.
बहुत सारे सेलिब्रेशंस हैं, बहुत सारे, और मेरे तो एम्बैरेसिंग मोमेंट्स इतने ज्यादा हैं कि मैं बता नहीं सकता, मतलब
नहीं,
इतने
एक दो
ज्यादा
शेयर
मैंने.
कर दो. एक दो
So,
चलो
शेयर
ये
कर दो.
एक थोड़ा
एक चीज ऐड कर सकती हूँ. श्रेय बोलेगा मैं रोज उठता था और मुझे लगता था आज सेलिब्रेट करते हैं तो राजा जाता था.
हाँ, ऐसे ही था.
श्रेय
तो सोफेस्टिकेटेड वे में अगर मैं एक बताऊं तो आई वाज लाइक यूफोरिया चल रहा था, एंड यूफोरिया में भी आई गॉट द मोस्ट अमाउंट ऑफ कंपनी स्पॉन्सरशिप में. जब तो मैं अलग ही वाइब पे था कि भाई मेरे से ही चल रहा है सब कुछ, तो मैं बहुत खुश था एंड आई वाज वेरी हैप्पी. सब लोग प्राउड भी थे, तो वो लोग मुझे आई गॉट एन अपॉर्चुनिटी टू बॉन्ड विद द MBA सेकंड ईयर वाला पीपल. सो वो लोग तो अपनी लास्ट उसमें थे ईयर में, तो उन लोग को तो कुछ वैसे ही फर्क नहीं पड़ता था, उनको ना वार्डन से डर ना कुछ, तो उनके साथ में राजा चला गया. एंड हम लोग ने नीट पे नीट खींचते गए एंड वी वर ऑल सेलिब्रेटिंग, वी वर चार्ज्ड अप एंड वी केम बैक. अंदर आ गए जैसे भी, किसी ने कुछ पकड़ा नहीं. बट आई गॉट आउट ऑफ कंट्रोल एंड व्हाट आई डिड वाज, होस्ट कर रहा था कोई शो पे एंड आई डोंट एग्जैक्टली रिमेम्बर कौन था, एंड दो लोग थे, या उस टाइम आदित्य मिश्रा था उस पे स्टेज पे, टू बी वेरी प्रिसाइज. तो आई इन द मिडल ऑफ इट, मुझे भव्य पतंजल ने बोला कि जो प्रेसिडेंट थे, मैंने बोला कि यार मुझे डांस करना है. तो बोले कर ले, हाँ इतना जगह है कर ले. मैंने कहा नहीं स्टेज पे करना है. तो ही सेड कि मतलब उसने मजाक में बोला कि यू कैन गो अप, एंड आई जस्ट वेंट अप देयर सूट वूट में, और मैंने 2,000 लोग के सामने जो डांस करा है उस दिन. तो मेरी वीडियो फिर वो डीन DSA के पास गई एंड इट वाज अ इशू ऑफ जो भी उनका रूल्स एंड वो सब होगा, एंड ही सेड कि ये बंदा स्पॉन्सरशिप में काम नहीं करेगा. तो मतलब इट वाज वेरी एम्बैरेसिंग, मतलब घर तक बात पहुंच गई थी और वो वीडियो हर जगह लीक हो गया. तो ये था एम्बैरेसिंग. ऐसे बहुत सारे, बट ये सोफिस्टिकेटेड वाला है दैट कैन गो लाइव ऑन YouTube. So this is my embarrassing.
This is the cleaner version of everything.
It's the cleaner version. बेकार तो बहुत सारे हैं. You'll find a lot of, अगर आप बीटेक के ग्रुप्स में और आपको कोई एंट्री देता है थर्ड ईयर वाले ग्रुप में, तो आपको बहुत मीम्स मिलेंगे मेरे.
Now my curiosity is at peak जानने के लिए कि क्या हुआ था बाकी सारे events में. Okay, so my next question is for Dekpreet Di. If you ever get stranded on an island with a college teacher, who would it be and why? Basically, friend कौन अच्छी teacher थी बहुत?
सॉरी, आपका लास्ट आप कौन सी टीचर थी?
So basically, if you ever get stranded on an island with a college teacher, who would it be and why?
So I would want to get stranded with Sandeep Bhushan sir. I was his fan. Like for some reason, I don't know if he's teaching you guys or not now. Like so basically in our second year, in our fourth semester, he stopped teaching us. But guys, he is so beautiful. Like I could look at him all day, every day. Yeah, Sandeep sir. It would be Sandeep sir.
He's Urvashi ma'am girl.
I don't know Urvashi ma'am. I don't know if was she in journalism? I don't know if she was there when. Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
She's a BTech teacher.
Okay, so my next question is for Soumya Di. Since we know that you are in hostel right now and you're joining your like from your hostel, what's your favorite hostel memory?
I have a lot of memories, but hostel छोड़ के mess में जाके 4 बजे तक बैठना is my favorite memory. मतलब
4
boys.
बजे तक allow करते हैं?
No, it's not allowed. That's why it's a memory. You have
Okay, all the freshers are taking notes right now.
You have to have a way around with the guards.
Yeah.
This is the art of living at Bennett. आपको guard से
आप guards के होने चाहिए हो. That's important.
मैं आपको शेयर करता हूँ, मेरी हर गार्ड के साथ सेल्फी है कॉलेज में, हर गार्ड के साथ, तो मैं इसलिए कभी नहीं पकड़ा गया.
State guards change हो
You
गए
want
हैं.
to survive hostel life, you have to be
Thank you
best.
so much. हम नहीं लेनी पड़ेंगी.
Bhaiya.
I'm pretty sure like all the freshers and the second year students जो आज तक hostel नहीं गए वो notes ले रहे हैं इन सब बातों का.
Yeah.
Okay, so right now like since Pranshi Bhaiya is not here with us, so I'll just pass on the floor to Danish Didi again.
From this, we have now a game for you. Like after your game, the way you get to join in the game. Adi, can you share them the link for the game?
Yeah, I have DM'd every person link.
And Dev and Pratna, please take over, as you know the rules and regulations of the game.
Manish and Pratna, go ahead.
Good evening, everyone. So now we are going to play a very fun guessing game. It is called Bomb Party, and I'm really sorry it's not called Call of Duty. Sorry, gamers. In this, you will be given some random syllables, and you have to form a word including those syllables. Like for suppose a word is an, so we can form and or sand, something like that. But be careful. You have to do it between a limited time span, or else the bomb will explode. Now the game.
Pratna, just a second. Does everyone has joined the game?
How are we supposed to join the game?
We have sent a link to you.
Chat में भेजा क्या?
No, DM. Teams पे DM.
Teams chat.
I'll do one thing. I'll do WhatsApp.
दोस्त WhatsApp पे करना DM. Chat में.
Sure. कर रहा हूँ.
तो हम अपने फोन में खेल सकते हैं.
Anywhere you can.
I'm doing DM to everyone. Yeah, done with everyone.
सबने ज्वाइन कर लिया. एक बाकी.
Yes, so everyone is here.
One is left.
Yeah, so all four are here. Manish, we can start. Pratna.
Pranshu left again.
I guess his internet is.
Network issues. No worries, we can start the game.
Pransh Bhaiya can here.
Don't worry, you just have to form the word including those syllables. Like the letters should be together, okay?
Manish, you may start the game. Like YC, what word?
They just should be together.
YC. Anyone
Cat.
wanna help somebody?
YC.
Wait, okay, 1 minute. Does it happen one by one?
Yeah, it goes like when Somede is gonna done with that, then you can go ahead.
Still
YC.
No issues.
Sure, Somaya.
Guys, sorry, I'm having a big time connection problem.
Yeah.
No worries, Pransh Bhaiya. Dekpriti, you are on mute.
Yeah, I'm saying I'm done.
No, YC should be together.
Oh, ये तो बताना चाहिए था ना.
YC together होंगे उनके आगे on के साथ श्रेया on के साथ क्या word बन सकता है?
On is a word itself. I'm sorry, guys.
What did Pransh get? I don't get this.
Somede on के साथ क्या word बन सकता है पूरा? Once.
खाली ऑन भी होगा।
ये हार्ट क्यों गायब हो रहे हैं हमारे, मतलब 3 से 2 हो
Your
गए?
life is
एक
your
लाइफ जा
life.
रहा है।
तो टर्न वर्ड नहीं
Guys,
होता, TON?
हो गया।
इसको डन कीजिए 1 के बाद, तो फिर नेक्स्ट को
I
जाएगा।
know the word.
हाँ, डन करके कुछ नहीं हो रहा है। Okay, wait.
नहीं, so TON is not a word. टर्न 100 होता है इसका भी नहीं।
Guys, your game is fraud, huh? It's making all of us lose our hearts for no reason.
तुम्हें शर्म नहीं आ रही? बीटेक वालों, अपने UI इंप्रूव कर लो कुछ।
चल ही जा रहा है।
ये लेके आ गए हो। रुको
Yes.
रुको, क्या है?
कौन जीता है अभी तक?
रुको,
Shrey Bhaiya has the most hearts.
यहीं बहुत ज्यादा मेरे पे। रुको, तेरे
There would be there, THERE.
हाँ रे यार,
There or here anything.
To make that word.
हो गया?
इसका ये कैसे हो गया? ये क्या?
Somebody. Oh, you are.
There, DARE, there would work there.
कैसे करना है इसे?
You are done.
तुम्हें तो बाहर हो गई।
I lost.
हाँ, car was right.
I did not even play.
नहीं हो रहा है कुछ। ये cheating हो रही है. You guys just want Shrey to win. This is sheer. This is not done.
Yeah,
Guys,
everyone
BTech
here is
power,
in
BTech power.
BTech.
मैनिपुलेट नहीं
I'm
होता है,
telling
बीटेक पावर है।
you,
Yeah, you guys are team BTech.
guys, Shrey has given his dhamki now, saying मैं senior हूँ.
हाँ.
This is, I'm telling you, whoever this game जो खिला रहा है ना, ये बिक गया इंसान. मैं तो नहीं मानती हूँ श्रेय को विनर. This is done.
No worries.
Congratulations, Shrey भैया.
हाँ, थैंक यू भाई। चलो हैम्पर भी,
Tell me what is he done that we have not done?
सुनो, हैम्पर भी जा देना ऑफिस एड्रेस पे।
Oh, sure. Manish, we can stop the screen sharing. We can continue. Danish, please.
Yeah, let's sober up now a little from the not a great game. Like competition नहीं था उतना यहाँ पे.
नहीं, मेरे लिए तो बहुत ग्रेट था, मजा आ गया।
Let me tell you, good game, but it was already planned that you all want to give it to Shrey, okay?
Light heart note, because I remember there's a cricket match gonna be at 7:30, so we need to end this soon क्योंकि गाली पड़ेगी हमें भी.
Right.
So to end this on a light-hearted note, has a question for you all: the most memorable moment in a college life and wholesome memorable moment for you guys.
I got my best friend in college, and I got a group of best friends in this college. So that's my favorite memory, and that's one thing I will always cherish.
Exactly. Right.
Okay, so I think adding on to that, so definitely you find your people. It's said that you find your people in college, and rightly so. I did find my people too. Other than that, I think the most memorable moments have to be the times that I have performed in Bennett. You know, every time I was up on the stage, a dance performance or a theater performance or anchoring or debating. So yeah, I think every time that I performed in college has been memorable. And I would give everything I can to perform one last time in college and know that this is the last time I'm going to be performing, because the last time I didn't know that it is the last time that I'm performing. So yeah, that.
Of course, Shrey Bhaiya.
For me, obviously, finding my partner, my best friends and all, this is one. Obviously, it's on the personal note, but the second one, I feel like I never thought of winning any titles and all. But in the first year itself, and BTech के बच्चे तुम लोग को पता ही है कैसे होते हैं. They're very shy. No, they're not shy, to be very precise. वो अपने hostel में, they're one of the notorious people that exist on planet Earth, because I feel like for the BTech kids, they're very sharp and they're very they do things जो कोई सोचता भी नहीं है. But I feel like the best thing was when I won the freshers title and all. Maybe it may sound kiddish, और अब वो मुझे भी kiddish लगता है, but at that time it was a competition, and I was the only one going there and fighting from BTech. And believe me, we have 500, 600 odd students in BTech, and they were like one big family fighting against law, BJMC, BBA, and it was like whole drama going on.
That's not true.
That okay.
It's like law fighting against BJMC. Yeah.
मुझे समझ नहीं आया, बट एनीवेज ठीक है, होगा भाई रीजन कुछ उसका, बट आई फील लाइक कि दैट वाज अ बिग मोमेंट फॉर मी, एंड आई विनिंग अ टाइटल स्टेज पे जाना इज ऑब्वियसली अ स्पेशल फीलिंग, and winning it and giving a sense of proud to myself and self satisfaction was good. So yeah.
Anything for BTech now, as they Preeti said. Pranchu.
Yeah,
They
I'm
are
here.
I'm telling you, all these
Sorry for
guys will
the-
be sending Pranchu, Shrey ko, they'll also be sending a hamper. I'm telling you, Shrey की story आने वाली है.
यार मेरे-
Pranchu bhaiya, we have a lot of questions that we skipped past for you, so we are gonna
Yeah,
grill you.
rapid fire and your game also kind of. So
Karishma, you have your questions, right? We would like you to grill Pranchu bhaiya now. We would love to know his insight too. Karishma? Okay.
Just a second.
Yeah, she's just a second.
Yeah. So my first question to Pranshu Bhaiya is, have you ever fallen asleep in an offline lecture and did you get caught?
can you ask me, when I attended my classes, I was always asleep. So no, as such, I wasn't get caught in any of the classes because hardly मैं वैसे भी कोई तो attend करता हूँ, and I'm very careful with the mics and cameras.
Offline.
Offline.
Okay, offline. Okay. So offline, yeah, in the morning, yeah, obviously morning को तो classes का मन होता ही नहीं, तो yeah, I've been caught because एक तो मेरी height थोड़ी सी है ज्यादा, तो मैं पीछे बैठा भी अलग दिखाई देता हूँ. So yeah, the teacher caught me, and बाकी आगे के लोग सो रहे थे, but मैं पकड़ा गया क्योंकि मेरी height है थोड़ी, तो उसकी वजह से yeah, I was being caught.
And what were the consequences with data या फिर
attendance काट दिया, उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं हुआ.
अच्छा, फिर ठीक है. And the next question is, how long have you ever gone without taking a shower in college?
In college, that's personal question. In college, yaar, I don't remember as such, but I think 3 days. 3 days I can recall what I can do.
That's reasonable. That's reasonable.
That's reasonable.
Yeah,
like exams time पे तो सब भूल जाते हैं. Okay, and my last question is, if you ever wake up one day and realize that you're invisible, which teacher or friend would you like to snoop around on and why?
To snoop around on, I think
friend too.
Okay, I would do it to, I think in law there's Prachi ma'am, so I would do it to her, and because एक तो उन्होंने, she is beautiful I think, and दूसरा वैसे उनकी एक बात मुझे पसंद नहीं आती, she don't give marks, so बस बाकी तो यही है.
तो चेक करना कैसे चेक कर रहे हैं पेपर्स वगैरह. Okay, that's all.
अच्छा guys, really quick, सबके लिए एक वो है इंसिडेंट, और जो पता होना चाहिए आप लोग को. कौन त्यागराजन सर को जानता है? The person who looks like Einstein.
Yeah.
ग्रीन कलर की शर्ट में रहते हैं यूजुअली. तो वंस लेक्चर चल रहा था, हमारा हॉल बहुत बड़ा है, अगर आप लोग को नहीं पता, लॉ स्टूडेंट्स या बीजेएमसी स्टूडेंट, हमारा हॉल में 300 बच्चे बैठते हैं एक बार में. तो सबसे पीछे की जो रो होती है उसके पीछे याद है एक पोडियम रखा है, उसके पीछे आप बैठ सकते हो नीचे झुक के. किसने कभी ट्राई किया हो? तो आई स्लेप्ट 8:30 बजे वहां जाके अटेंडेंस के लिए, और मैं उठा 10:30 बजे जब त्यागराजन सर की क्लास चल रही थी. 2 क्लासेस हो चुकी थी और त्यागराजन सर मेरे सामने खड़े थे ऐसे आगे वहां पीछे. यू माय बॉय यू, ऐसे वो बोले. एंड अटेंडेंस क्या, उन्होंने मुझे मतलब किसी भी चीज में नंबर नहीं दिए पूरे सेमेस्टर, मतलब प्रैक्टिकल में किसी में, और मैं फिजिक्स का टॉपर था उससे पहले सेमेस्टर. तो इससे ज्यादा एम्बैरेसिंग कुछ नहीं हो सकता किसी के लिए कि आप ऐसे पकड़े जाओ सोते हुए. मैं बिल्कुल ऐसे लेटा हुआ था वहां पीछे.
This
So
feels
that's
like a Three Idiot moment.
Three Idiots wala.
Pranshu bhaiya, the last question that was for everyone here, the most memorable, wholesome moment.
Okay, the wholesome moment for me. In fact, there are very long list of wholesome moments for me. And as Dekpreet said, being a performer, I enjoyed being on the stage, and whenever I was on the stage, I lived it to full of my whatever I could, and I gave my 100%. Yeah, relating to the Dekpreet's point. And then there was a lot of memories like hostel में सुबह 4 बजे तक जगना and doing just anything that is not productive, and मेस में 4 बजे तक बैठना गार्ड्स को ये कह के कि हमारा खाना आ रहा है, रुको अभी और रुक जाओ, अभी 10 मिनट और रुक जाओ. So yeah, that's my memorable moment.
Okay then. I guess it's the time to wrap up the session. So guys, yeah. By the way, Dekpreeti and Soumyadi, I hope that I will be meeting you soon on the campus.
Yes,
And
for sure.
all teams. So guys, you can on the camera for the
Now everything will.
everyone. Every IEEE team can on the camera to get the snapshot. I know you are going to flex it everywhere because these are the personalities that are showstoppers. So अभी ये फर्स्ट ईयर में है ना, इनको पता नहीं है कि कौन कौन है सीनियर, लाइक हमको तो पता है सब कुछ.
हमें भी
आदि बहुत बड़े जैसी बातें करने लगा है. जब तू गाजियाबाद आया था ना, तुझे वहीं छोड़ देना चाहिए था, घर तक ड्रॉप नहीं करना चाहिए था. बहुत बड़ा हो गया है, मुझे सब पता है.
नहीं जल्दी आऊंगा दोबारा से, कॉलेज खुलवा दो फिर तो हम वहीं रहेंगे भाई.
Any parting words from every one of you?
Okay,
Yeah. Thank you so much, Adi and team, Danish, all of y'all, for like having us on. And I think I speak for everybody here कि बहुत time हो गया था for us to to have interacted with our juniors. And this was so friendly and so homely, and all of y'all. In fact, there were so many participants. हमारे events में भी इतने participants नहीं आते थे, guys. So kudos to IEEE BU team. You guys have done a
Even
great
today
job.
Sunday I got many complaints कि भाई संडे को क्यों रख रहे हो, वो भी इवनिंग का टाइम, सबके प्लान्स होते हैं, वो भी आज चिल्ड्रंस डे पे, लाइक
Yeah.
सब से जाते हैं. मैंने कि नहीं भाई आज ही रखेंगे, करेंगे तो.
हाँ नहीं but बहुत fun था. I'm pretty sure all of us, again like I said, I speak for all of us कि बहुत मजा आया. Thank you so much for keeping us in mind and for calling us here, and all the participants for being so interactive chat box में. And we'll come to college and we'll see you very, very soon.
Very soon, very soon.
That's
Thank you so much everyone.
One short piece of promise that I want from everyone, the young everyone who is like in their first year, second years, and with us also, कि guys promise yourself कि आप लोग कोई ना कोई एक आइडिया, एक स्टार्टअप आइडिया या फिर एक प्रोजेक्ट पे इंडिविजुअली काम करोगे. You all are planning to do some jobs या कुछ भी आगे, that's your professional choice and your जैसे भी आप लोग मैनेज करना चाहते हो, it's your life decision. But these 4 years are not just for a degree लेनी है तो उसके लिए कहीं भी चले जाते हैं. But Bennett आए हो तो it's for हर चीज एक्सपीरियंस करो, फिजिकली, सोशली, इमोशनली, मेंटली, सब इमोशन एक्सपीरियंस करो. और इन एक्सपीरियंसेस के बाद एक प्रोजेक्ट या आइडिया पे जरूर काम करो. एंड आई प्रॉमिस यहाँ पे मीटिंग में सबके सामने, जो भी स्टार्टअप अगर हमारे कॉलेज से कोई भी निकलता है, मुझे नहीं पता बेनेट हैचरी फंड करेगी नहीं करेगी, मैं फंड करूंगा. तो दिस इज माय जॉब टू डू दिस. बट यू गाइज नीड टू प्रॉमिस मी कि आप लोग शुरू करोगे, बिकॉज 100 में से एक बच्चा ऐसा होगा जो यहाँ से कोई ना कोई एक ऐसा स्टार्टअप निकलेगा जो आगे जाके आईपीओ फोड़ रहा होगा. तो हम जैसे ही लोग होते हैं जो स्टार्टअप्स बनाते हैं. तो प्रॉमिस योरसेल्फ अभी सब लोग, एंड आई विल सपोर्ट यू जब कैंपस में मैं आऊंगा. दिस इज माय जॉब.
Manish, make sure this is recording.
अच्छा, ये तो यूट्यूब पे जा रही थी. सॉरी फंडिंग वाली वापस ले लेते. चलो कोई नहीं, जोक्स अपार्ट, आई विल सपोर्ट यू, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है उसके लिए. एंड थैंक्स Dekpreet, थैंक्स प्रांशु, एंड थैंक्स सौम्या फॉर बीइंग अमेजिंग को पार्टिसिपेंट्स. एंड आदि भाई थैंक्स बुलाने के लिए, एंड थैंक्स एवरीवन IEEE. थैंक यू.
इट्स आवर ऑनर टू आप सब लोग आए. लाइक Dekpreet दी भी अब बाहर हैं, लाइक ग्रेजुएट हो चुके हैं. प्रांशु दी भाई ऑल्सो, सौम्या दी कॉलेज से ज्वाइन कर रही हैं, आप भाई अपने घर से इतने बिजी स्केड्यूल में. इट्स सो ऑनर फॉर अस. थैंक यू एवरीवन, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग.
Soon.
yeah.
बाय गाइस.
पक्का.
Okay, guys. Bye. All the best.
Bye.
Bye. See you. Good luck. Have fun.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you everyone for making this session
Wonderful.
great session.
Wonderful.
You may